Salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito at sa pag-imbita po sa amin. And sana po, maganda yung gabi natin ngayon. And here po, have fun. Thank you.
Kobe? Hello po sa lahat ng press, lahat ng fans na nandito. Maraming salamat po for making the time to come here today. Kahit Sunday po. Have a blessed Sunday and I'm so glad to be here with you all. Hi, Mama Jai.
Yes, Gia.
Hi everyone! First of all, thank you so much for making the time to be here with us today. Happy Sunday! And yeah, everybody stay safe. Umuulan ngayon, but you guys still made the effort to be here. I love you guys so much and let's enjoy!
Yes. And Michael.
Good evening, guys. Nakakatuwa naman seeing so many familiar faces and seeing all of you here today. It's a Sunday and alam kong busy kayong lahat, but guys took the time out of your day to come here. Maraming salamat. And of course, the Cornerstone for hosting such a special media con ng mga Cornerstone artists. Maraming salamat po. Let's just enjoy the rest of the evening and thank you for being here.
Hello everyone! Happy Sunday din sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat po again also for making time and sana mas makilala pa natin ang isa't isa and thank you for giving us a chance na to share this day with you and thank you Cornerstone for making this day possible. So yun lang po.
Magandang talent sa mga batang ito. And then, syempre, I would like to acknowledge, of course, this award-winning director of Born to Shine. Nandito siya, Direk Rod Marmol! Oo, Direk! We reserve really a seat for you. O, diba? Nandito sa unahan. Direk. Palapakan natin once again, Direk Rod. Oo. At dahil dyan, Direk, ikaw po ang alay. Charot.
Hello po.
First question goes to Direk Rod. Diba? Siya yung huli natin pinasok, pero sa kanya yung unang tanong. Pero, Direk, of course, unang-una, congratulations po sa success ng Born to Shine. Palampakan natin ang Born to Shine. Ang bonggang-bongga. So, Direk, ang first question ko lamang po ay, kamusta po? How was it? Ano pong nararamdaman nyo na napakaganda ng reception po nung show nyo?
Ayan, magandang hapon po muna sa inyong lahat. Ayun po, acknowledge ko ng aming PM sa Sir Arnel Licaria dito po. Ayan po. Sobrang naming masaya kasi when we were given the task to do this show, simple lang din yung objective namin. We didn't have big, lofty dreams. Talaga sabi namin, let's think through dun sa spirit ng show. Kwento siya ng isang bata na underprivileged at gusto niyang marating yung showbiz. Pakita natin kung gaano kahirap yun. So yun, and I'm lucky na all these actors that I got to work with, hindi sila maarte, talagang pinatungisan namin sila, pinunta namin sila sa lugar kung saan galing yung character. And I think, in my humble opinion, that's the reason why people accepted the show. Kasi nakita nila na hindi siya pretending lang. Talagang trying to mirror the reality of the character.
Kumbaga direct may authenticity ng mga character. So ito naman, which leads me to my next question. Ano naman po ang feeling working with this young generation talents, Direct?
Nakakabagets. Nakakadamay. Pero nakakatuwa kasi dyan, some of them na workshop ko na din dito sa Cornerstone Acting Workshop. Yan, si Anton, and then si Zeph, naka-work ko na before. Siguro ang exciting lagi when working with young actors, it's really trying to understand their process. Kasi not all actors operate the same way. So iintindihin mo kung ano yung tamang motivation kay Zeph, kay Michael, kay Gea, kay Kobe, and even kay Anton. And you have to give it to them. They have to feel na yung director kakampi nila. Because kung hindi nila kakampi yung director and bringing the best out of them, mahihirapan talaga silang mag-shine doon sa show. So it's a good challenge and malaki siyang honor to be part of the kumbaga formative years nila as actors. Yun.
Alright, maraming salamat talaga for sharing that. And I'm sure, alam ko very excited kayo na kasi hindi talaga ito binibitawan since back-to-back nga talaga siyang umiere sa GM. Nag-lead role.
Siyempre po, I'm just really grateful sa Panginoon na binigyan po ako ng ganitong opportunity and especially nagustuhan po ng mga tao yung feedback and yung pag-arte po. Ang daming natutunan, ang dami kong natutunan sa bawat scene and ayun po, sabi ng director ko, bawat scene dapat pinapahalagahan mo at dapat binigyan mo ng buhay kahit mas importante nga yung maliit na scene kaysa mas mahabang scene eh. Kasi mas mas makikita mo yung expression ng tao. And yun po, I'm just really grateful and honored. And Cornerstone as well, na binigyan po ako ng ganitong opportunity and GMA. And ayun po, salamat.
Yes, congratulations, Anton. And with that, we'll give the floor na to our media. But of course, ito na ang isang pinakakaabangan at alam kong excited din ng ating mga fans. Of course, meron din silang chance na magtanong sa inyo mamaya. But for now, mag-start muna tayo sa ating mga friends from our media at ang ating mga vloggers. So who would like to go first po?
Nothing.